This particular Porsche 959, which secured second place in the 1986 Paris Dakar rally, recently underwent a restoration by Porsche Classic. Unlike the 1986 winning 959, which was left untouched to preserve its original state, the second-placed vehicle received a more sympathetic restoration. Porsche Classic aimed to maintain the original condition while addressing any technical flaws in the car driven by Jacky Ickx and Claude Brasseur. The 959's powertrain, including its detuned 6-cylinder 394 bhp engine, was dismantled, overhauled, and reassembled. Remarkably, despite being over 30 years old, the vehicle showed little damage, and its odometer indicated just over 18,000 kilometers, covering the Paris-Dakar rally distance and more. The restoration process revealed sand and dirt from the African desert, showcasing the authentic experiences of the 959 during the rally. The teams chose not to repair corroded metal, preserving the car's historical status. Porsche Classic's gearbox expert, Klaus Carigas, appreciates the African dust on the car for the authenticity it represents. Jacky Ickx, the original driver, had the opportunity to revisit the car and share his memories during the drive, expressing his delight in being part of the story.